Hey, how y'all doing? Hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that shit. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. What? Huh? They not like us. Who? They not like us. Who? They like us. What? They not like us. They not like us. Huh? They not like us. Huh? Who? They. Bitch, you part of the day. Anyway, so how y'all doing? Hope everybody's feeling good and all that shit. So anyway, y'all know I do it. I just jump right into it today. It's sex tip Tuesday. Bitch, sex tip Tuesday. Bitch. So look, let's talk about sex. So look. Now, everybody have their own little bag of tricks. However you develop your bag of tricks, maybe it's from like all the experience that you have had, some shit that you've seen on TV that you like to try that you put inside your bag of tricks. And now say you messing with somebody new and you pull out your bag of tricks and that shit don't work. Like you just like, I don't know. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's just, or you like you're not getting you would know if it works because you will be getting a response from the person's body. If it's the woman, that pussy getting wet, like she's just all in, she's just it ain't no fake. Like can y'all tell when it's fake and when it's real? Are y'all able? We gotta stop doing that, ladies. We not doing that no more. And men too, ain't nobody doing that no more. Ain't no more. We ain't doing that no more. So you dig into your bag of tricks and it don't work. So for my older people, sorry, I'm digging in my nose. I felt, you got a crusty booger right at the bottom and shit. You have to have conversations with a person about what you like sexually. And hopefully this person is able to deliver what you like sexually. You can't be afraid to say what you like sexually to somebody. This is also the process of goddamn elimination. Not everybody that you meet means that you need to have a sexual encounter with, unless it's like a one-night stand thing. We ain't talking about that. But if you somebody that you feel like you want to develop something with, get to know, you have to take your time with that. As an adult, the best thing to do is have conversations like, what you like? And if this person, whatever their likes is, if it goes beyond your boundaries and shit, like your limits, you be like, nah, I ain't, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't do that. Like, I ain't with all of the dildo and the booty type shit. Well, I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? Like, then you have to leave that shit alone. Y'all are not sexually compatible. Because if somebody tell you something, you continue to go with them and say y'all develop a relationship, y'all motherfuckers get married, you're not giving them what they like, or what she like, oh motherfucker, they gonna go get it from somewhere else. Or they gonna go get it, especially if they was open and honest and tell you about it. And sometimes, like, you do have to make some compromises. Like, if it's something like for real, like if you know, like deep down in your soul, only you know, deep down in your soul, like, nah, like this, like if it's some shit that gross you the fuck out, you know what I'm saying? Like you grossed out by whatever the fuck that turns this person on, like it's just ain't within your system, you gotta let it go. Stop trying to hold on to shit that don't make no sense in your life. Damn. Ooh. 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 I'm okay. But yeah, for real, like you have to learn how to do that. Like not learn how to do that. Do that shit. Like if y'all can't come to an agreement, like y'all telling each other what y'all like, and like now if it's like I said, if it's something that's truly grosses you out, goes beyond your limits that you ain't with, like nah, I don't see myself. I just can't. You two are not compatible, and it is okay, bitches. Stop trying. When I say bitch, I'm talking to my men and my women. Stop trying to force some shit. Stop it. Stop. Fucking stop. It's okay. You may have been feeling her or feeling him, whatever, but y'all just. And if the bedroom is a place where that is of importance to you, and it is of importance, you know what I'm saying? It is. Why do most people get divorced? People get divorced because of sex and money. Somebody ain't fucking somebody right. Somebody probably ain't looking like they used to look. They ain't turned on no more. They done fell out of love. Whatever the fuck. So they fucking somebody else. Whatever the fuck. Man or woman. You know what I'm saying? Like, it happens. Y'all have to stop with this. I don't want to have conversations about shit. Stop with the fuck shit. You grown, motherfucker. We are all sexual beings. Like we are all sexual beings. And sex is a beautiful thing. It's a feel good thing. And you should be able to feel good when you need to feel good, when it's time for you to feel good. And also another alternative, say if it's something that you don't like, like maybe they can do it alone. And you could just be in a room. Whatever it may be, I don't know. If it's achievable, did I say that? Fuck y'all. Achievable by themselves. If that's possible. You know, y'all gotta get out of your own way too. Like, stop being so afraid. I know everything ain't for everybody. Like, I get it. Like, some of y'all are like really, really vanilla. That's the word that they like. That mean like you lame in the sex world. Like, you're not into doing all types of shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Not all types of shit. Like, have your limits. Everybody just don't be doing something just because somebody wants you to do it, just because you feel like you need to please a motherfucker. Like, nah, that's out the fucking window. We ain't doing no shit like that. If it is something that you know that grosses you out, that is not a part of who you are as a person, there's no need for you to be fucking doing it. Doing it for what? And it don't make you feel good in the inside. Sex feel good in the inside, the outer and the inside. That's where all the gushy stuff come from, the inside. So, like, be honest. Like seriously. Like, you can save yourself a whole bunch of unnecessary trauma with that wasn't necessary. You can, because it may not even be no trauma. Like, let me back that up. Unnecessary, like, just time wasted with somebody that you're not even compatible with, like, sexually. That's if sex like really matters you. Because some of you motherfuckers is asexual. You know, you don't want to fuck. Nothing turns you on. And that's fine too. Because whatever works for you and your relationship. People crack me up, these people out here trying to tell everybody what the fuck to do, like, within their relationship. Look, I guess am I trying to tell you? I'm not trying to tell y'all what to do. But I'm trying to guide you on ways that they can help you. Because everybody's relationship moves, and their current moves however it moves. And whatever works for them, it works for them. But it has to be compatible. It has to be. And the one thing that you should be able to express yourself with your partner, and that's intimately. You want to be able to come in and give her and him all the best you motherfucking got, and let it loose. I mean, you're freak in the morning, freak in the evening, just like me. You know, like that. So y'all think about those things. For real though. For real. Like, don't just have sex doing shit that you know you don't like. No. Have your boundaries. See if you two are sexually compatible before y'all even jump in the bed. Like, I'm not talking about like, nah, a one night stand is a one night stand. Like, y'all drunk, whatever the fuck, I don't know, not drunk, or maybe y'all just got a sexual chemistry, y'all want to fuck, go fuck. Okay, that's cool. That's a one night stand. I'm talking about somebody who you trying to, that you feel that you could possibly, that you would like to build something with. You have to take your time with that. You have to have conversation. This is adult conversation. I'm not talking to my young people. Okay, so now for my young people, since I just brushed all that up. Young girls, make sure that, cause you know these girls is out here fucking like really young. Like, it be happening. My first time having sex, everybody was like, "Oh my god!" But I was in the 8th grade. Like, I was like, "Ain't that normal?" Some bitches be yo. Oh well, that's middle school. So, but yeah, because it generally happens like around there. Sometimes it happens a little early. Unfortunately for somebody, we ain't talking about people who's been sexually assaulted. You disgusting motherfuckers who do that to children or to anyone. You know what I'm saying? Not people who have experienced that unnecessary trauma. But normally, like, it seems to happen around middle school, from sixth to eighth grade. It can happen. But my girls, you have to make sure that like you make sure that this dude respects you. It ain't you sucking his dick right off the back. Like, no, no, no. Like, make sure like it should be some kissing involved and rubbing and touching. Like that's how it should start. Not that you just jumping down and sucking on his dick, and young. So that's why we be men. Y'all gotta stop telling these boys that shit. I mean, yes, that's a part of like sex, but you know, be easy with that, cause then like she probably want her coochie ate, and most dudes like at that age, like I ain't looking no pussy, like you know what I'm saying, like so why do you think that she should be sucking your dick? But I know in a lot of porn that y'all watch, that's all you see. Soon as these motherfuckers come in contact, what the bitch doing? Sucking dick right off the bat. Like she ain't getting nothing done to her, and the woman's body is to be cherished. Cherished. You take your time with her. Because your dick is already hard, young man. Doesn't mean that she's there, and if she's willing, like you know, she's there, she with you, she's willing, but still take your time. That don't mean that her pussy is wet and that her shit is hot. That don't mean that. You got to get her there. That comes from kissing and licking and touching and feeling and saying nice things in her ear and rubbing on her hair and you know rubbing on her hands and rubbing on that coochie and titties and ass and feet and then the entire body. And them girls don't be sucking no dick in a goddamn staircase. Ain't no sucking no goddamn dick in no motherfucking staircase. As a young chick, like I mean a young girl. We talking about my middle schools. Yes, bitch, we gonna talk to them because this shit is happening for real. But long as it's gonna happen at some point. Some may be a little later, and I'm not saying that you should be doing in the middle school. I'm not saying that. But it because my experience was in middle school, and a lot of people have had sex, you know, their first time having sex was in middle school. So when you want to share this experience with somebody, you make sure that's somebody who care about you and that y'all ready to sneak off when y'all mom ain't at home, because that's how y'all do it, y'all. That's how I did it. My mom was at work. We came to my house. Oh shit, that's what me think. So look, why? The first time I did it, the dude, my mama came home. I was like, oh shit, told that motherfucker get in the closet. I'm supposed to be at school. She like, what you doing at home? I'm sick in the bed, sick like acting like I'm sick and shit. That motherfucker was in the closet. 'Cause if she would have found that motherfucker, woo! I don't know what she would. Thank God, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, y'all have to maneuver like that for my young people. You make sure that he respects you, and you respect yourself. You know. So that's the sex tip for today. And I don't care if y'all motherfuckers got your panties all in a bunch of shit. Because we are, once again, we are all sexual beings, and sex is going to happen when it's somebody that you like, especially and at a young age, at an age like you know from middle school. That's when it generally starts to happen. Your first encounter, a consensual with somebody your age. And let me also tell y'all something too. Don't be fucking with nobody. You in the middle school, fuck with some motherfucking 19-year-old or 18, somebody from high school. Like, nah, you fall all the way back. No. Or 21 or some shit like that. That motherfucker got pedophile vibes. That's pedophile vibes. We have to have these conversations with our children, people. Like how do you have conversations with your children about sex? Because you have to have it. Because they'll be out here like just doing all types of shit because they friends probably telling them stuff, doing whatever. And then if they don't have leadership within themselves to be like, nah, I'm not doing that. That this ain't what I do. You know what I'm saying? And you got to teach them that. So the first tip is have conversation if it's somebody that you choose that you're thinking about and y'all haven't had sex yet, thinking about building, getting to know like what they like sexually. And are you willing? Do you feel like y'all compatible? Because you may or you may not be. And if you're not, just, you know, dap it up and be like, no, I don't think so. You know what I'm saying? If sex is important to you like that. Like I said, you could be asexual and let your partner, like, I don't like sex, but we like each other, and I would like to, do build with you, but you can go and fuck whoever. See, everybody relationship is different. And also my young people, like I said, you make sure that my girls, you make sure that he care about you and willing to go that extra mile. Like, you ain't fucking outside in no motherfucking street. Y'all too young for shit like that. You wait till you get an adult to be fucking outside, or in a car, in a goddamn in a fucking staircase or some shit like that. If he can't figure out, or you can't figure out that, oh, my mom ain't home from this time to this time, then y'all need to, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but and also wear condoms, people. It's crazy out here. Y'all don't know who got what. Motherfucking 1 out of 5 people got herpes. That's something that stay with you all your life. And you don't want to have your dick burning, your pussy dripping, and all that. You don't want to have these things. So make sure you use that. And that is my sex tip for today. Y'all know my name is Real. I'm intimacy coach / seduction with the service called Seductive ArT. My next Seductive ArT workshop will be happening in May. I will keep y'all posted on that. Y'all know I'm an author. The title of my book is called Quickie: Your 7 Short Erotic Stories. Read while you fuck while you read. And I am a designer. Name my brand is Real Nice by Real. I'm waiting on my TikTok shop to cut. It'll be here when the time comes. So just keep abreast of that. And if I resonate with you, you know what to do. Please hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. And y'all know how we lead this motherfucker. It's Black History Month, motherfucker. Black people, be black and proud. Proud. Be a part of your community. Be about your motherfucking money. Be focused, be humble, be loving, be patient, be thoughtful, be considerate, be kind, be humble, be lovable, be of great cheer, be a great listener, be supportive, be happy, be filled with godly influence, be well mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and emotionally. Be fierce, be confident. Be strong. Be all these great things. We only connected with the Most High. And in the midst of you doing all of that, don't you turn, don't you think twice. And that is, you be your authentic self. You. Because God made you perfect just as you are. Until we meet again, y'all have a great night. Peace.